That the child died every year in Hoka Kosibo. 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, the whole Ghana. A former a man beji dini pan so him so he King Kong.
Actor be pan na uchina so 2011, 2012.
And then I Jaco, na Jaco chan and also did mandate Jaco and the bonnet.
That's how time Jaco just said.
It's me possible on prayer. Chewa, Kwakumanu, Matilda, Nene, and Dr. Laiki. A Jaco Kwana me can artist by 8 boom, and someone Jaco and Howard. A Jaco more beer and a retired Jaco in the Ghana movie industry. That in a Jaco took an script good. It's me a mom who's after it me a phone without a Jaco.
Actor be now then buy. Oh, come on.
So Kwakuma, Matilda, Pakrobeto, Dr. Laiki. I'm only a normal studio guy. Kodun cancer, I'm a small boy. Then I couldn't cancel run with my sorrow. One of the directors at the Malawi Yellow. Guy no near Carol talent. Like it time in here, let me enjoy.
Mistakes be na mo ye ya ma regret.
Oh, Penipa, Chimu or drink. I'm here for pound, Miss Sniff. You pay Bonnie, I pound, Miss Sniff. I'm in Kaya back of crack.
It's one and through.
I mean, last time I spoke with a coverage. Because many of them never cooking 1 year, yes, and could dinner. The phone I'm in Temo.
Ya mo bibia akwa ba eba Polino multimedia say afi na wo hwe ya na wa subscribe se ne de bia de tuma on sabitimi aide akan street or social media platforms bitimi follow Polino multimedia or TikTok, Facebook, Instagram bia bitimi follow e na me kai mo say 23rd March ye program kese e wo consumer nkran so Sunsum Entertainment President Kofi Kinata okonfo kwa de Kelentua Ralfada ana Sunsum na mu unsan count ticket no ma unsan count ticket no 200 Ghana cedis no tima ma unsan count ticket baby omuye program no venu no Happy Jones Resort e consumer nkran so ti se baby a wo bia no ye de number no beto ase no afre se wo hia table so o se wo hia wo table omo table so amampanyfo no table reservation amampanyfo no se wo hia wo table ai the number no beto ase na wafre na wonsa etimi accountable ai be serve kama because of say Kofi Kinata empanyfo pe enkra pe uhwe man panyi otimi nsaso ya menya sure say obi abehu no but enuoma a wa je no kuma wudu mo no se wanfa na no anka unyini enunti na mache me papa me godfather na me ne tie one tete me one your friend director Akwasi Bodu onna ene me ne tie a ebe etwunkomo ene me no a kire ye ekwan ya ofa so di wura akuma wudi nim ekwan ya ofa so the stars bi buy ekwan ya stars bi kire no ho kire no di nyina obeka no ha wanka me director ne on sorry that Eta, we walk over. Maybe as a film studio. Baba Polino multimedia. Papa yes stati. E kwan be so e na wo fa ye e be ye director.
Fax maminchia ohefo no atiefo nyina. Okay. That question, anytime normally I'm avoiding interviews because yeah, me person me a quite potty am fast so over the film industry, but yeah a woman me kakra because me all my life yeah, it's all about showbiz, it's all about movies. But I can't remember me swano at the age of 4 or 5. Okay. The time na a concert in our home. Okay. We say a poster no first a friend board. The concert bar when I'm chill location what the concert board ni besisi nti concert now a part of me. Okay. But professionally no I quite remember I was in school and I'm who say the posters be able poly walls no as me we fit kakra and I took the number and I'm afraid that time na Kingdom Media Bantima but Kingdom Media na Kingdom Media na Steve G director be Steve Jemfi. He's from South Africa. Or you're one of them music directors are a great person. It's in the co-audition I will Culture Center Lebanon Club. So the entire young man from school, you know, and he drank a crowd and I said I like a crowd. You draw your prove your home. That's I catch him say no, we a good product. That day now no catch him say me Mbebwa location manager. Okay. As assistant location manager. Then I'm co-audition
audition why?
Culture Center Lebanon Club.
Okay.
Mean kai year no, but I check a crack. And that time we no more could try a jumabi war a Sophia Salmon.
Okay.
It may mean on the location manager and your queer locations now.
Okay.
And your course projects in the buyer Kobaya and be substantive location manager.
Okay.
A while on the bill crown. Into the Dimunka Kanka that time now, Mr. Chumasi. And a year and fancy a powerful director or war system. No. Into the Dimu, I quite remember my first movie. I professionally try girls' business. We shot that film for Kingdom Media. That time Papa Nuabuchi. Into buy and be try. Mr. Chumasi, Dana Deleye, Bote, Gloria. Nessa Miracle Films. That time not only acting club or Kumasi and Miracle Films. It is a Miracle Products now near Jomo a year Juma with Michael Franning.
Okay.
As the PM then. It's me, Michael Franning training me. I will locations any PM. It is from Hono as location manager. It didn't kakra. Then I became production manager. Okay. Franny international, and I remember we local production manager. Now me assist Franny. Any mukra na kin so ban so free school by later one. So free school by. So ban the first movie we try Kumasi and me PM. On free school by na Saturday so agigi hini ewa. Che didi mu na afeli mu ayedru. And I started see a bench from editing. Kakra.
Now it's high editor.
I started from bench. Sinu bibi ni sinu aminem. Sinu bibi ni sinu akola bi oni enti na me yadwuma member no. Because me ni bibi it is a me director me short time fa.
Okay.
With my cameraman ya kan ya adwene bom. Me editor because me editor na wo ye madwuma na bi kura be na from studio.
Okay.
Into we speak common language. Me too sorting me check.
Matthew pa.
Iti from PM mu na kakra na fe me ne anuanom bi kan ya adwene bom. Ye nua Ola Michael any India mo and say establish in production. Then time na we for J unit. The J unit no mo no ye adwuma be a year or two any mu tie ye split it. Ola echo any mpanyifo bi ko the other side na me so me India. Yes ye ba the other side. Enu mu an Nyankopon ye breakthrough started. That was 2010. In 2010 I'm started serious and professional directing. Whereby Ghana had then time you know when I was say Sebi when why cry bo me do it for be careful. When why cry that the child director be in Hoka Kosibo 2010 2011 2012 2013 the whole Ghana no be any.
Na director be any
never.
Na that time no na woni director be na wo hwa no mo so wo ejina mo na so that time 2010.
That time na James Abuaji mu ye mpanyifo.
Okay.
Na Afrane Richard Afrane mu ye mpanyifo.
Okay.
Na asrebedi akom wo ho.
Okay.
But no mu di yanim ene ye di jane be wura mu wo achi. Nti me Jones Isaiah. No directors in France. Na so ban so wo ho. So ban no mu di yanim.
No.
But me time pa dey so ban mu edi yan asrebedi akom di yanim. Me wo Jones mu ase. Ansa na me mase no ebeba no Batman mo kwa no mo yankwala. No. At the time competition night was between me Asabedi Akon, Jones Ajiman and Isaiah mo. But that time na Isaiah mo ayi adwuma 19 no mu no ayemre and I'm Devin be right. The by then na mo ntimi na mo no mkotodwuma ayemre. Na mkotodwuma ayemre.
That time the movie be na utwaye. We say 2010, 2011, 2012. That time movie be pa na utwaye a o kan Ghana ha opia bi hu se movie we.
Former
FPA.
Former and yet ni fast that cry. Former Dimi and fast a Marcos would be household name in the year. John the Baptist. I shot it for Joseph Mensah.
So
that sentence me try films too, but me refer the other one title John the Baptist.
Okay.
And a former a man be Jimmy Pan and so human so here and I can come. So because the time now feel animation introduces a kind of M1.
We
are introduced it in the system. Yeah. Obi oye bibi edimechi.
Sa mo bi na no mutime
okay. Any bubu stadium near bubu ho dan bi bubu.
Na wa na we edit.
No, na me editor wo ho. Na me wo me no ma editor India no ho. Ene ye wo animator no so ho. Saturn no so KUST. fresh graduate and afei no aba nti say from school na adwene no ho and all page ni peskanti no na adwuma no oye no correct ba nti na start here na me animator wo ha oye animations na mo mo editor so master engineer so oye editing no but because na ye teamwork no nti no na ye bibia na me ho ehan good yeah nti from my mom gd pa de so hwem so hwe kenkom street
yeah that time no na Actabe pa na uchina so 2011 2012 no
and then na Jaco chane na so tin na me PM no na me manage Jaco fin on set na was PM
na wo manage Jaco
so we production manager there set no so cast be also be na manage good but a bad director nkasa no man director Jaco da you know why satam na Jaco scanner no oje no na ne bo na edene na as a young guy I feel na me pay me dini e be pay scan no na me producers no omo twa Jaco no mu hu a o young guy then e be twa scan ma Jaco nti ne bo ne omo dini
na satan Jaco gi say
min kai but this can crowd in front of say e be na adwuma no ma satam na Jaco edene pa nti nipa bitimi ka Apostle John Pra Chewa Kwakumanu Matilda Nene and Dr. Laiki Fumia Ajako nko na meka artist be 8 bom asema nya Ajako ahoodene Ajako seriously Ajako mo bia underrated Ajako in the Ghana movie industry Ajako na mo odene pa ti nipa ba akofo I say meka artist be 8 ebom na manya na hoodene
ansa no wanya ne sika na ase sika wo de be fa na na say
Ajako wo fam one impact no
just wo ka
nipa Chewa Apostle John Pra Akrobeto Matilda Asare Nene Fumia any couple of artists be no wo down kakra me kom nyina bom se manya Jaco
wanya Jaco ahoɔden
because that time Jaco tu kwan na script good achi that time no kwabo chire no producers palace script into eduru ba bi nipa bebre se manya Jaco me ni problem because no mo ka say me momu na me ma Jaco ye me ma Jaco nya me ndi ba bia mbo Jaco din boneda na me nya bi so da because adwuma wa Ghana industry hanom wa boa ye pa but na me nya ni sika no na otu kwan so me ntimi ntwen so but ntimi kasa nipa wi ahoɔden me bom a na manya Jaco ahoɔden and powerful no mran so no na timi penetrate
on say director da okay obi nto wase because of say almost unyusu Jaco na okase wunya ni sika ukanipa 8 ene bom ansa no wanya na hoɔden it that time no o person o chese Jaco sika na wuntimi ntu o se mi fa sika no to nche
form no e ba ne to say ye beto form na Jaco onima ye nto nti o person o ye form na Jaco onima ka hu se ka no wabo me nya sika nkofa Jaco na tu se sika nkora o sa ta Jaco tu kwan a o tu kwan koba on my script egu ho no
ta kan se wunya sika nkofa Jaco na ka se o ka se ma me nka sika no dia
me ka ho no na bia wa ntimase ka cho se then time me ye young director
yes
and producers no that time just abuaje mu wo ho nti obi hu de need say obetwe sika ma wo young director say ko director Jaco okay ano ne ye one
okay
and two Jaco two kwan so mo nti on my script egu no so no wo ko di line ko na nya nduro ho and am develop me sir o say me so dey penetrate industry no nti me kan sa nipa mo bo mu din nyinaa ahoɔden ne bo mu ansa na de form no ba yetimi ato
but director me so dey me tie ne say Jaco so ntwa 9 scenes and nti na
no dey latter part kra
satan kwa so mfa ne nya
satan kwa na latter part kra na Jaco ka so ntwa 9 scenes kra de se ne wa ye adwuma na bra satan kwa na hoɔden no e ba fom tie no kra de e mamu kra but time me kan Jaco pico what the film come producer waka cho Jaco nim onje ntimi na mom hu se sa fe de timi ye fam without Jaco ayeto but na me kire say na Jaco was so great to the extent say I just me can pa be 8 and 9 hoɔden bom asana manya Jaco ahoɔden
okay
I'm not sure how strong Jaco was
na say no omoka say woni Jaco
problem no eja ye misinia man no do eja free concert party by na me mo industry mo yakwasi board ba na me nje me din but say what time no Jaco e be crazy never because say you Jaco misika anya misika misika anya misika but me ye hwe means a ye be penetrate because na industry na e pull us Jaco ni ho a obi antimi nya adwuma Jaco ni obi oni obeba na script egu na chi
ne ese mo directors no that those time na any producers no mutimi twɛn jaku oba mu bi kura timi ko ni fufu ma na yampa
oh binia say producer bi ko wo agya fufuo die honestly menteda ena me hu so de na say bia nipa bi kwa kopa akyɛw sɛ bɛyɛ adwuma ma me de ɛnde ɛyɛ normal sɛ bia nyina kra yɛ hɔ no mo no producer bi timi for director script bi wana betimi me pa akyɛw pomɔden yɛ ma me ɛno nkyɛ sɛ bia producer na ability no ho ana bibi but ohu o yɛ adwuma no ma na impact a obenya nti sɛ producer bi kwa agya ko kwasrɛ sɛ agya script here o hodi e bia lead character na say supporting character wo na ayɛ ma me bɛboa me na ɔne no ko negotiate a me hu fuso bi on na emom sɛ obi ko fufuo ne ade ade de ɛne me ka sɛ minima na me boa
okay
na tada yan sɛ bi ho ya na akɔ akeka
director yewura mu me pese busa sɛ actor bɛ anase actress bɛ na hu sɛ wo na wo de ne bae e wo kuma wo
nyamie ni no kremuni some shada picky obi from the scratch say bia otini fi na me ama fa na de na nyini de me pese me dintro na mum say bi obi wo industry no mu a enna me so man be pija ya gidini pa de ene nka bebre metum so wan hu distinction na
ba hu de o ka no
say bia obi na me ba bia na me mata
watch no say wonam abontia no watch say wo ade wewu mu enti bra me de wo ye adwuma but e bia wo ti say
owo mu kakra on sheda ni dini peke bebre na mata no de ene nka bebre because me time and a movie a top a picky pa
yes how is it to movie
send a movie top a picky pa nti artist bebre na me nsaso e be pejai the likes of Kwakumanu the likes of Matilda the likes of Akrobeto the likes of Chewa the likes of Dr. Laiki tutumo amunya no mu studio guys baba mu studio Dr. Mensa no mu nyina ate ho but unse no mo industry no but say a year yo munya adin musika sam course mutumi charge me say ye from ya charge ye me ene mama kalimo achirebuwa me achirebuwa ebo mi different kind ba kumase o achirebuwa be da kumase be wa me kura no no shi achire mi sana sa be da kumase be hwe me wo fen so ye adwuma I think in so from one of the movies Kodjon Cancer me small boy then Kodjon Cancer when we run hotel room I saw when Pablo and Sana then Kodjo Shamba bia na nsa go na chi ya na ebi mu nnim ebi mu hia na obi ye bibia no mo nti ase Kodjo beji dwuma nyina me one of the directors e ma Lewin ye Lewin that time they start Lewin Gami Mary me that time
una de Lewin Charles movies nyina
okọ net ne so Facebook and I say Lewin old movies the funny clips are going almost 80% of the movies. Men are mal when some stars, big stars be active first.
Kwambe so na your fan say that time Ajaku wo for Kwakumanu wo your fan say ohini message studio na other stars be wo de na Kwambe so na for the pickle when say oma obia ehunu
Kwadwo won ya me kana asema ya na enye de ntam ya mpese we bi sam lewu na asema ya mpese okobisa Zak but me sound man e fen akutwumasi tuni and introduce Lewin man said that my share guy be good but already no shall win wo Letter Jones said so
okay
e wo meswam ma vida asori area
okay
e ko ni glass man to na o yes so na me kan san bi wo mitrim de akutwumasi de beto so sa na me so okay omra nti first form de Lewin ye e fen na gise nyame bam e ho no ne ofre no Kodjon Cancer no no wo ofre Lewin na okache Vivian J say Jamasi ni ba that from I directed that from gise nyame bam ti odi ne bae no first scene na odi akogu second scene odi akogu na nti ho na me frɛ no so bra so beto to ne ma yie pa we ndi bakase organa nti Kodjo me professional de na kache se Kodjo beto to ne ma yie pa from industry no bit me taking by storm but so an hwe yie nso a nipa bi de o ma sign be sign wa ma adwuma ntimi because guy no na ka raw talent no but no hia push if you ho no na we start to push na nyame adom Satana on so ne die tankasa Jackson
Kibet
and check enumana okotwa I think as on to ghost and then also a blow yakojo nyame ado ne kojo bisi
nti kojo nkwa na obetimi aka say okay me so no free say anansi me so no free say achiribu yemfa achiribu ade na mla achiribu ade na ekwan be so na ofa discover achiribu wa so
achire na ohwe me movies
okay
na ohwe me movies because movies then time na ba Mondays nti no ohwe nti de bia no sani am kan on e kan say obo am so mebo so de bia ohwe film ba na okohwe bete ko si bo adu de minya na kam de be ya adwuma o da item nya na and ofre na magic
that no why sini ni bi da
no why no wa kra
okay
but na fe no person oba Kumasi nti na then times me na me PM ne magic adonko magic and magic me PM on say me studio magic me studio
senior adonko
me PM no nti oye ya na onya magic number no frɛ be see magic so na magic so we Kumasi nti on ma obedu Kumasi no afi obi osini pan no ma say be ya obeda ichi na ama na ba me ho itna ye wo ofen so ye adwuma and I check try more friends so and I can cry I'm doing the chia no later if you are crow my body my bed Kumasi almost 1 week me hu no see me it is certain so me mani twa only a sin yeah I think it was just a sin no twa was set we were free tight if I stand go say be make tight abusuadofu very good abusuadofu then time
anona lewin
we ona na Lewen ko akobeto wo se obayi show na wo se di owu akobeto be na
yeah
abusuadofu chache twa wa na na sta wo man se you good na fi aden be come ho ti fu wo no adwuma bia me ye bia no mani a kira ansa na chi Isaiah mo e be so ni mo nkakra nyame ado ne nso a kire e ya kira se be odinam sana yo to koye
I for many director Kwesi Bodu in a gusu ajutwe nkomo we first half afeni e be second half na me kai mu say omunso eye program Kumasi concert party 5th April Easter Sunday omo ye Kumasi concert party e wo cultural center ticket no single no 30 cedis e na double no 50 cedis I think say abenkwan multimedia ene Ghana TV ana aka bom sa production no nti mo man support mo ntwuma busuafo bia mfa na busuafo mla na sa de no ni gida Easter Sunday de obi api wonu abusua momla na yenje ani na yen have fun ni twitwa pictures stars baby so na de eba director wo kano wo se de bia na Dr. Likey ene Fumia de bia omote wo studio a omo twen omo so ye omo fa wo na ase kakra
nye kakra mfa me na ase
omo fa wo na ase pa me kan sa omo
fa tutu nyame fa na crazy Matilda acrobato chewa nipa no any studio because acrobato no work more no chewa my apostle there tell me about the studio
me me fa Dr. Likey side kakra o de ma me free rust ne emfa nko wi Dr. Likey
good
tama na omoba o studio no na wo ene uhu de wo ye ewo ni mu
to be honest with you some kase mi hu comedy ewo nini mu ana meboa
okay
some kase because then time no won say adwuma na ye no so no ye ma the masses nti o ya de na producer bi sika na o de ye adwuma nti o ye adwuma na se de be ya producer na benya ne sika o kire be adwuma wasan de abro the time bi nipa na ni je ho no ene ye then time no ni me from Tafa Wodifo from ha de ka cancer is my money informer na
no mo from
Tafa Wodifo
Dr. Likey
yeah
oh feeling it
yeah of akasi sa na e free o nti emre bi na Fumia mom na me yes say be changing the role from gang you know nam de na ba say pastor onye don broadcasting na dey no bra me bra ye no nti amama anya madu say sa challenge kra me premium
Fumia wo change Fumia character
from say on my pastor don broadcast on fa bible no preach bra jai
alpha
jai we bra wo sinibu saada
ofa
nti ye ha but so show maduma na mo ye na in a way no no mo portray omo die but omo timi ma dialogues bi Emma wo actions and reactions bi a mo say at least comedy ni kakra wo ho but no bi adwene enko so. I quite remember one of my movies the when ko bo mo pa so mo kokun bigger quiz.
Okay.
And o man kokun no na le when call o mo camp no mo kokun yin. We hwe scene na e wo ho no mo na. Say because of Lewin it no obenya pure comedy e wo ho. But say nipa ya adwene say oh yen share dan director mo from that kind of gang in role no to comedy na dey and the nyame no make say ba me mu ana me bua but no more traces of comic because for me and one of the scenes na American Lowen tokwa bi na hwe said yeah Lowen ne for me ayere no say kwadwo no so ye twan now share it was comedy but solely not me from sense so we mo comedy actors are wait me attend into that simple sir.
Okay. Yemra almost say wono na ajikumadu esiwo ojitumza.
Oh, to be honest with you, adwuma no season bia wo nipa nyame edini di adwuma nanim. Season bia say director say season bia wo director nyankopon di ne ba adwuma no. Nti obi kan I must be agree over this. Anytime a time will come obe fade out. Yenya Santo Mubaye Kwame Wusu Ansamo eba ya Jaco Mubaye Kwakuma no mu aba obi aba obeko Lewin wo ho. Nti ayi for me sorry like time ni a let me enjoy. Mama ni pan high ho bebre. Any season.
Nti wo jitum say any time.
I will any time.
Okay.
Say adwuma na say obi say ba ko fonti mi nje adwuma we nsi. A collaborative effort. I said I tell catch us said I tell say minimum adwuma me dey obua. E team na onno mo ye adwuma no na eboa wo. Nya won kwana nkwan say wa ho ade no nyansa yes. See say o call shot bi na kwana cameraman wa fa different shot then na why. But cameraman nim na adwuma o soundman bi bia your correct editor o score bi bia ma wa ye color grading bi bia kama ma wa adwuma ne ba right o din da so but nya won kwana o ye din da so say ba ko fo be ka say wa jesu anya no anya no but a season bia woni nyame ede ne ba ebi mu ye na bedru ye so yen so ye ebi mu ba ebi so be ye e beto aso akwasa sanity.
Okay. This time Dr. Likey or ye adwuma pa e wo YouTube ana oboa YouTube no those time no that time na me ni ho but this time do ye no be hu those time ne wo actor bia otimi fa enkra ben wo mo eboa wo mo te say Dr. Likey
na nye actors no that time na ye either the director or the producer.
Okay.
Na Likey sa kuma na ekura no osua free me ho. Okay. Likey makola o me ba to o studio boy to osua sa dem free ho. Me kwa na me team no the only production house ya wo studio nkwala ye train nkwala ho. Ya actors ba okobrea no abehome ho. Ti akwasi wo ho ti o pick sa de ne free ho.
Okay.
But I said that time actors in the frefro nti no mu enhye da ani ahoodene. Ahoodene nyina ye either the producer or the director. Because actor na wo ka no ona na eni obi na afre no. Nti o ye de no akofre obi.
Okay.
Mr. Seduba said I want to afre no. Ti de no akofre obi. Won said it. But he say no he's more like a producer. Nti ni pop person or employ me bia no betina employ o. Sa nti na ma mo hu ne sa no.
Okay. Ota ye baby mebusa question. Yinim se Kumawood ekofo. Eye me pese me hu eye producers ene man call form. Ana se eye actors ene man call form. Ena se directors ene man call form.
Eye nyina. Industry player bi o mu bia edifo. Nye ba akofo. Because we do ka ho, producers ka ho, marketers ka ho. Even radio stations ka ho, TV stations ka ho. Obia eye na me kasa adwuma no say na friend say eye collaborative ayi nti untimi pick point ni pa ba akofo eye nyina yan funu so nketen bi ye ene ka bom ene ma ne baasa nti na nye ba akofo obia ka ho
ti mistakes be na mo ye ya ma regret in Kumawood
mistakes ye ne say one ni nsuade
okay
na yenye abreast with the current system no ye dia ne say ni niam say o yakotwa fam na ba ye de kokigiti nti duru ba bi a kije tia kantamanto ni hobby mu no na fi ho kire asatam na ne ka no so na YouTube no ho but na adwene ni ho but you what is that I quite remember Mark Brown one of the directors either Odame enya issue Saturday directors god northern sector na me young secretary the Mark Brown ba meeting be paacho say it wasn't deliberate say on the director no enya asaska for no nti yenja bibia ma nti eho na Mark Brown be introduce say YouTube say this skawum say this but mama papa yan fan serious
we saw the CD no kokejeti adu sika
waje 10,000 copies what about the next kwaje usika adu 100,000 copies 500 o kwaje usika nti satam na adwene bia enni ho wo technology no nti yen problem affect your pie technological wise ebiti nti nipa ni ba mo so na your channel to the new mode of filmmaking, the new mode of distributing movies or channel movies. No, and I'm now who say the penny be edge man. Sana net. Technology in a way.
Okay. Better kuma udumani o. Kuma ud. Yese na moye 1 week. Ade chia bitima ye movie. We ye nwu a anye yi a ebe isi. Ade nti na director muhu say ade we na di kuma wood ekofo but still na man change mo nsa anana producers no na enti asese
me wasa na kana ye true but se me ti ase dia o de me first make me address ni nyina me na besi mu one way ni any day aye sorry no obi eye na sorry no aye interpretation okay na two o say san who say a business so na ye where o ka koto phone aba na o kira nko a o beto anya won fa so na o ka koto aba na be 2 months 3 months da hwa ye nto as a businessman you na be invest nti na business aspect no ewom because producer be the scale room a o di room say obenya ne mfa so okay and a bad story now me nka say ye one way no o stories no be bria obia wo kwan a ofa so e che no story but say mo ka one way dia nke ne kra na nka one way no Nigeria for kra na ka one way come na ye ne pa nso mo hwe mo forms our YouTube enjoy pa story no either say gate man akofori ama ne madam and I saw ye chef ofi ho afori ama ne madam nso mo hwe enjoy that means no problem na in storytelling no
na problem
I don't know so what you must
say na problem na dey
problem na make say na a whole lot of issues
ese na mo camera se mo kwa so
baby nema ni bepre na nipa ni bepre so be gum afi ehu se from reactor first ni anto from papa first ni anto nti akire na nipa ni ba mo se o ye to from nti obi a onim from ho hwe kra mo be wram because me that me producer na me director and I say ni training kwala so bebre akwala bi owo a onsu adwuma no mpon ne ho but na producer bi diska bi akofa na se na akoye adwuma sa akwala na me ma akwala me training na onpon ne ho enye wadu so be director for ma na be fast me dey because me script interpretation no e be mature than no nti yenya sebi real bi be fry nti sa na ade bia no bone ne dooso no na e srade no kedu ba bi bone ne be dooso movies bad ones no e be boom down because they said me then time producer be fa we bi ebo a wo be gene no ontimi ntua so ke ompe obi a at least ko oben wo kakra say dem me ka say na mentimi ntua jako sika me ka nipa be 8 boomers manya jako ho odren producer be fa ko sibo no ntimi ntua me ka at least father it is be 3 4 bi boom no munya adwuma na ka munya me ma ho odren but say nipa so akofa akola bi no dia be mo na say bi mo twa ready gum adwuma na say na nti from de me mpese me kokko no be pray because na me charge na see no see awie they say how best we go forward. That's the most important thing. I say na filmmaker bia edwon. And I mean what I say Prempa Assembly Hall film summit course. They say moving a revival but it has come in a different manner. Whereby I say no we do who just into the system you can't compete with the new world of filmmaking here.
Oh yeah. But you be mama you say ebi mutime bo abi mo na sen kra sa mini ni sa akode bai waboa actor bi ana actress bi a wonu ho so oboa
me hu asach but penipa umchimu wodene me hu quote and unquote amu ye fu pa amu ye sinefu ipe boni aye pa amu ye sinefu seriously quote
Kumawood for now
dem sinefu say Kumawood say amu ye sinefu
so Kumawood asem
amu ni nkai ba akokra no amu ni nkai ba akokra ehyew manum a ena omo kan who say na me catch you say studio me den tell be studio who he onye ba bi ntra ho obi sa onua Polino be catch you den tana Polino ye my small boy owo Kumaka nyina nse Polino so wadi machi ache from Kumaka we so ko university nyina sana na me adu tu kan no ye me ba futiti who he onye be obi studio ho nyina ye ma nkofo butubutu wo so that means satim na dwuma no wo ho I say flower na enya ye butterfly ekọ se no benya nectar no but flower na edwendela obi anko bi sana sinifo ne ti moment adwuma no wo so no ye be your papa ogoro and a title bi akle bi de be ma but adwuma ni free wo nchen ya na mo sign pe different channel a on be ko nti sinifo de mo nyi ni pa bi no but ya na obi nkase obi nko ye adwuma mo obi ska no ba bi ye duro obi ska nyi obi ahwe but ato ya na efe kami phone call papa uti on ka che ho te sen akra ho te sen efie te sen unya nipa no but say adwuma no wo ho a we say 24/7 be fa phone na we gina so we dey to so na we gina so but e betime di be 3-4 years say any program bi no makwa kwhia akra nipa bi wo kra hwe ya won kai but me side pa dia mama kali metin so na masori ache brewer metin so na masori Matilda metin Matilda so na masori Matilda to da hu ne be pressure wo so sa hu ne be na kwatwa advert bi aba now dia boom grind and on come run na nkwan ma ehwam but other characters no hu omo nyanchia na maka se skakra do mo sabi ya bo mo adue obi nka se nkoya adwuma mfama but just a phone call papa ho te sen they don't do it nti samini ni we dia zo kan e normal don't forget that's how it is in the show business industry they wo am ni pafo
eto mi be mai be nam pese mu actor be da actress be na wo
mabodi Mabo acrobat dream. Mabo Chewe dream. Mabo Apostle John Paul dream. John Pra, sorry. Apostle John Paul dream. Mabo Raslini dream. Mabo Dada Santo Sinipa. Santo na sabi ya ni sem hu no do abonten na fa mafi. I'm so ni papa. Some confirm ka say den tell me na studio ho nya na hu.
I don't think omo a obo mu din say omutimi frɛ no na aboboy na omo a wontimi omo frɛ no no amu mu din
pastor senior yaman ko ya yed
that say ubo me say omo a wabo omo no ubo din no ana me ka say omo a wa regret say wabo omo no
me ka say regret no I never use that word I regret in my life because one say Satam nipa na nhia wan ka bia onim nyana brabo be nti eye se nipa bi a life wo make impact on the life you say manage pa but ya na abufu etan se nipa wo so ne nsa e sen ko bi tru ko hwewu a e tru ko hwe nkwan tru ko hwewu na ka nipa ko so ne nsa di na duru ba bi na mka nipa mo bom di om charge because na ya me na ma om charge because
enti hwan na mfrɛ
call them ka say me ka the last time I spoke with Acrobat, but I don't know time you between phone and friend be obefa. I don't remember the last time I spoke with Apostle John Pra. Matilda am kasa. Nene not often because nene maybe me no kokun 1 years nkodi na tem. Nti phone na me ntem wa.
Ade.
Nkomo ya na yedi ya bi. Sine hu nkomo ya bi na me nkodi na tem kra do kan. And time kwa no nya e me like he say. Eno mu ano no so nya. When I work with Lewin until me tenenke. Say the film be wo DSTV also when I'm directed to me. I mean, I do a rapport. You say, cross me fast script from man. Tell us me but I don't mark and won't so much. Can I catch us? Nipa me tell so I'm sorry, Mama Kali. A chair brewer, Matilda side. A street.
Inti director, all can be say on like Yakokon, Memla Sapa, talk a cranny, Yema, ye making it clear.
I say, yeah, do actually.
That time, no, Doctor like.
No. Nesla no ye no nya ntwa ntine kura na de ntokwa no ba ye nyina ne asema obisa ye se ya wote omonka na me nche omka so I was so free nka tun sa nti mu nipa ya mu nyina mu nkai Say be mu ho a na kokro betwe phone afre nipa. They say mo ne na ma mo ye ogoro papa one data one nyina no na ye nia mo benya free ho. Emu say adwene pa de mo nwene ya asema me kan papa je kura ho. Papa je kura be kai ma me so ne nya issue pa. Papa je se na se na me se be ne na ye fa. Wa papa yeah papa je be kan be ma me no so me fa heat ya na yi ite ya be ya me se na me koma ba ya na yi papa je o I quite remember na ye India ma me ayi ase krofu ache wasa me kan ache kra na
edi be say
o ache na
I like 5 years
like be like kransa ache 5 years e bebu because me free because start to repay my kransa 3 years because ye adwuma repay 3 years 5 6 years ti ache
if you only like in
yeah come up yeah
only in kasa bi
yeah kasa pa come up o shia me who me be hug me yes say adwuma we dey ontimi na obi nya aka o
okay
na akoye papa e ba asem papa nso say bi obaye bone a kana be ka wi asem na atwa ntinye say bibi e de otan bia be to me ne ntema no e shia say we free no even project ye kura na nka o ka ho but a chain information ba say first we be tukwan na intimi abere no
so program
and ne personal assistant sense that you see me akwala Castro say me studio boy so when it comes to the movie industry the master we are well connected
yeah
well connected
Castro see oba feed makai Castro coffee level coffee ko do cancer yeah feed makai
time and did when party industry nyame anu I paid my dues but yenye bibia manyame and we say we din kan aka season bia wo ame di ne di adwuma nanu 2011 2012 2013 me na me kura baton no sisi akodi baabi nipa ne bia abakọ nse yenye chi na batman mo beba and directors young guys to be beba famous mo nti o maba nti ene obi oho bia the most important thing is yenye adwuma no yie banyifo bi gisi ho nti nso every time a yenye se de be yenchire ma na me ka se sebi e kohwefo e beji industry no ya go no I know they very bad
that from what time saa be pimne one na wo hwa your best actor in Ghana and as in Kumawood or the me pen in Kumawood
ma me mbo we say industry no na ye wo problem kaka
okay
se enye comedian na address benya artist nti o man na ere ni nyina ye comedians comedians eja kwa be yebi le woni so be yebi pa we mi no eja ko le woni no se de tie no na on se na e ba no Gramon so a na e Lava Boys no ho
Bella
Samuamo ho but my all time favorite dear I can't do without Ajako and Kojon Cancer. When we talk of raw talent, the guys are good. The guys are very good. But I'm in person me Obi betu Eja legend. Like we don't see a good power.
Okay.
Seriously. Eja legend. But Kojon Cancer very very good when it comes to comic.
Yeah.
Say only kodo ye comedy. Now your director say be o nimnya wo ya obese wadwuma. Because obaye adwuma na ma wo gina chire kra no. Ehwe ya obesra ama mistake o ye no hu no correct. Kojon Cancer is very good and nyame so nam no so abo industry no. Emu ye adren na obi edwane no. Kojo stood by his grounds. Waginam mesese edu aye ne de atada so aginam. So yamani nyina mamunyi. Yamani nyina mamunyi. Say like him so gina so den. So no like him side no so the new crop of artists abakra.
Yeah.
Second, nkola ya YouTube produce o say the indigenous film making na nkomo nya ba bi nyina. Because YouTube no so wo different no one viewership on continue. YouTube on set me produce stars. And see almost make a living. So it's all good. Yeah, makwan. Yeah, makwan dwuma no say me obi ama me den obi papa dre. Ati ase. Film making me no dey film making kra ba Ghana. Nti ye nyina edidi hu kakaka na ma obi akwan. Ya ma level ground obi anya ne de. Obi abetimi onye. But they say ye story a oni obi ti hu. Me I watch films with my kids. It have been story out to one untimi ne oba. I hate that. I feel able to do saving. I feel I best keep it. Most of my movies are movie and raw. No, I don't shoot those kind of films. Kissing, that time you change animation. You do Sasa ku tata obi a wose afi de do.
Later ye be sembe na beka kire Polino viewers ene fans ufana we sa odi be ma omo.
Senior foot travel de be ma Polino multimedia ahefo nyina ne se. No cre so film industry no e ba fo. But when you force on yama hwie gu a na ho se dia o hihye. Na ba bia obi nso na ma wa hwe ase obi di akire otutu na ma wo hwe yi. Film industry nya dia e be guda. They say you're back. But I take a different format. It is saying no more share then time film I need you home. Still I'm good soon because from the nya dia be go until the last person who you as dey nya dia film.
Enya dia from ebegu na me kai we say 5th April director ene abenkwan ene Ghana Mind TV omoye program kese Kumasi concert party e wo culture center so on san count ticket na wa free number na e di egu ase no on sabiti ma count ticket fa oyire ene obusu nyina Easter Sunday na mumla na mbe enjoy life na be share stars na mutwa pictures na ye kono so ne kai me say 23rd March susuma won fe enso edi ku fik nata program kese e wo consumer council watu ni din Sala Fest wode ochame okofo kwade ku fik nata Rafada Papa Kumasi Kilentua ana sunsum na mu so ebe performing so san count ticket na omansa count ticket na ya enjoy wa ma hodi ana ese wa yo makram